Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to connect Gmail to Asana. Quick integration. If you're someone who juggles multiple emails and needs a seamless way to manage tasks, then this guide is perfect for you. By connecting Gmail to Asana, you can automate and streamline your workflow, effortlessly transforming incoming emails into actionable tasks. This integration is a real game changer for anyone looking to boost their productivity. So, stick around and let's explore this together. To start our journey of connecting Gmail to Asana, we'll be utilizing a fantastic tool known as Zapier. Zapier acts as a bridge, helping you automate tasks between different apps like Gmail and Asana, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Imagine receiving an email in Gmail and instantly seeing it as a task in Asana without lifting a finger. That's the magic we're going to unlock today. First things first, let's head over to Zapier.com. If you're not familiar with Zapier, it's a powerful service designed to help you automate repetitive tasks across a wide range of apps. If you haven't signed up yet, don't worry. Creating an account is simple and straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be up and running in no time. Once you've set up your Zapier account, you're ready to connect your Gmail and Asana accounts. After logging into Zapier, you're going to want to create what's known as a Zap. A Zap is essentially the workflow that connects your apps. To get started, click on Create a Zap. This is where the magic begins, as you decide which apps will interact with each other. Begin by selecting Gmail as your trigger app. In Zapier lingo, a trigger is an event that kicks off your automated workflow. For our purposes, choose an event like New Email as the trigger. This means that whenever a new email arrives in your Gmail inbox, it will set the wheels in motion to create a new task in Asana. Next, you'll select Asana as your action app. The action is what you want to happen following the trigger event. So, in our scenario, you'll choose Create Task as the action. This ensures that a new task is generated in Asana every time your specified event occurs in Gmail. At this stage, Zapier will prompt you to log into both your Gmail and Asana accounts. Don't skip this step, as it's crucial for granting the necessary permissions. These permissions allow Zapier to access and share data between your accounts, ensuring the automation works smoothly and efficiently. With both accounts connected, it's time to fine-tune your trigger. Within Gmail, you can select trigger events like New Email or New Labeled Email. To make this integration even more tailored to your needs, you can filter emails based on specific labels or keywords. This way, only relevant emails will trigger the task creation in Asana. Once your trigger is set, move on to configuring the action in Asana. Decide what specific action you want to occur when the trigger is activated. For this tutorial, you'll stick with creating a task. You can personalize the task further by mapping key data from the Gmail email, such as the subject line, sender details, or email body, into the corresponding fields in Asana. Now that you've set everything up, it's time to test your Zap. Run a quick test to make sure everything is functioning as it should. You want to ensure that when an email arrives in your Gmail inbox, it is seamlessly transformed into a task within your Asana project. If the test is successful and everything appears to be in order, go ahead and activate or publish the Zap. From this point forward, it will run automatically in the background, saving you time and effort by keeping your Gmail and Asana accounts in perfect sync without any manual intervention. And there you have it, folks. A smooth and efficient system to keep your tasks organized with just a few clicks. We hope you find this integration as useful as we do here at PMN Online. Happy automating! Hopefully this guide helped you easily learn how to connect Gmail to Asana, quick integration. If you want more videos like how to connect Gmail to Asana, quick integration, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.